The secret dividend stocks no one is talking about. I'm going to say something that might sound crazy. Some of the best dividend stocks in the world are hiding in plain sight, and almost nobody is talking about them. Not the ones you hear about every day. Not the obvious big tech names. I'm talking about quiet, cash flow machines that are literally paying investors month after month, year after year. And if you're serious about building passive income, you need to know these. So today, I'm revealing the secret dividend stocks most investors completely overlook and why they could be powerful for long-term wealth. And quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. I'm just sharing information and ideas. Now let's start with something interesting. The first hidden gem is Realty Income. This company literally calls itself the monthly dividend company. Yes, monthly. Not quarterly. Monthly. They own thousands of commercial properties, think pharmacies, grocery stores, and major retail chains leased under long-term contracts. That means predictable income. And predictable income is exactly what dividend investors love. What makes this powerful is consistency. This company has paid hundreds of consecutive dividends and increased payouts for decades. Most people chase hype stocks. Quiet investors collect checks. Now here's the second one, and this one is seriously underrated. Enbridge. This is one of the largest energy infrastructure companies in North America. They operate pipelines and energy transportation systems, basically the highways of energy. Here's why that matters. They're not dependent on oil prices as much as producers are. They get paid for transportation and infrastructure use. That means stable cash flow. And stable cash flow means reliable dividends. Many investors ignore infrastructure companies because they're boring. But boring is exactly what makes money long-term. Now the third stock is one almost nobody talks about outside dividend circles. Main Street Capital. This company invests in small and mid-sized businesses and shares profits with shareholders through dividends. And yes, it also pays monthly. What's fascinating is that historically, they've also paid special bonus dividends on top of regular ones when performance is strong. That means potential income upside many investors don't even realize exists. Now here's where things get really interesting. The fourth hidden dividend powerhouse is Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. This company owns infrastructure assets all over the world. We're talking ports, rail systems, data infrastructure, utilities, energy transmission. Infrastructure is one of the most powerful long-term investment sectors because society literally depends on it. And dependency creates recurring revenue. Recurring revenue creates dividends. This is why many institutional investors quietly accumulate companies like this while retail investors chase trends. Now let's talk strategy for a moment, because knowing stocks isn't enough. The real secret is consistency. Dividend investing works best when you reinvest dividends, hold long-term focus on quality companies, ignore short-term market noise. Many wealthy investors didn't get rich from explosive gains. They got rich from compounding income over time. Small payments becoming big wealth. And here's something most people don't realize. Dividend income can psychologically change how you view investing. Instead of watching prices go up and down, you start focusing on income growth. That shift alone can make you a better investor. Now I want to ask you something important. Would you rather, option A, chase risky stocks hoping for quick gains? Or option B, own assets that literally pay you while you sleep? Comment below, team growth or team dividends? I read the comments, and I'm curious where you stand. Also, if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people because financial education is the real advantage. And here's the truth, the biggest barrier to financial freedom isn't money. It's knowledge and patience. If you combine both, you're dangerous. Before we finish, I want to leave you with one mindset shift that changed everything for me. Don't ask, how much money can I make? Ask, how many income streams can I build? Because income streams create freedom. And freedom creates options. If you found value in this video, do 3 quick things, like this video so more people can discover it. Subscribe for more investing insights like this. And share it with someone who wants financial freedom too. And remember, the people who win financially aren't always the smartest. They're the most consistent. I'll see you in the next video.